Everyone, welcome to Tech Aadhaar. Today, we are thrilled to delve into the world of cutting-edge technology with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Ring. The innovative smart ring promises to revolutionize the way we track our health and wellness, offering a seamless and sophisticated experience. The Galaxy Ring boasts a sleek and discreet design, available in a variety of colors and sizes, to seamlessly integrate with your personal style. Unlike some bulky wearables, the ring prioritizes comfort and aesthetics, allowing you to effortlessly blend technology into your everyday life. Now, let's explore the exciting features packed within this compact ring. Before we get into the topic, so if you're watching me for the first time, please do like and subscribe the channel for more tech info. So, getting into the topic, highlight of the Samsung Ring are the advanced health tracking. The Galaxy Ring is equipped with an array of sensors for comprehensive health monitoring, track your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and even potential signs of sleep apnea. And second comes with the stress management, gains a valuable insights to your stress levels, allowing you to take a proactive steps towards a calmer and more balanced lifestyle. And third, so it can also monitor your daily activity levels, step taken, and calorie burns, helping you to stay motivated towards your fitness goals. The fourth one is like about the connectivity. The ring seamlessly connects with your Android smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to access your health data and customize the settings through the Samsung Health app. So potential for the future expansion, Samsung has hinted at the potential functionalities through the software updates such as contactless payments and smart home device control. So by combining advanced technology with a user-friendly design, the Galaxy Ring offers multitude of benefits. Gain deeper insights into overall health and well-being, stay motivated and informed about your fitness progress, manage stress levels and promote a healthier lifestyle, experiences a seamless and convenient way to track your health. The Samsung Galaxy Ring marks a significant advancement in a wearable technology. Its sleek design, comprehensive health tracking capabilities, and potential for further expansion make it a compelling choice of anyone seeking to take a control of their health and wellness journey. So thank you for joining us today. Be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Galaxy Ring and what features you're more excited about. And don't forget to like and subscribe